I took a wrong turn and wound up here.
I thought about going to law school, but I ended up becoming a teacher.
의미상으로는 거의 비슷하지만 와인드업이 조금 더 드라마틱하고 상황이 꼬인 느낌을 줍니다.
I need to wind up my yo-yo.
Wind it up and tuck it into the cap. Wind it up and tuck it into the cap.
I didn't mean to hurt her, but we wound up not speaking to each other. I wound up in the hospital.
Employees wind up writing their own future. Employees wind up writing their own future.
It was meant to be. We ended up at the same school. It was meant to be. We ended up at the same school.
Don't get so wound up about it. Don't get so wound up about it.
Don't wind the kids up before bedtime. Don't wind the kids up before bedtime.
Okay, we're running out of time. Let's wind it up. Let's wind up the meeting and go to lunch.
Okay, let's wrap it up for today. Okay, let's wrap it up for today.
Let's wrap it up and get going. Let's wrap it up and get going.
We decided to wind up the business after 10 years of operation.
The court ordered the company to be wound up to pay back its creditors.
The strong wind blew my hat off.
There isn't much wind today, so it's good for tennis. Don't forget to wind your watch.
She began to wind the red string into a ball.
The wind-up of the festival was a huge fireworks show. The wind-up of the festival was a huge fireworks show.
The picture has a very unique wind-up. The picture has a very unique wind-up.